Okay, everybody. So, welcome back once again. It's Ian. It's the 23rd of March, 2023. This is probably the 12th video I've recorded today. But for those of you in our card course community who are interested in creating a multi page or at least a site that emulates a multi page card site, here's a great template that allows you to do this. I've had a bunch of people ask in our course community for examples of a good multi-page card landing page. So here is, as you can see, this is what it looks like on the front end, right? This is actually a live URL, which you can see right here in the world. And what we're going to do really quickly, as you can see it here, this is where you would make the edits to the site. But I just want to show you really quickly what this does. It's actually one page, but it uses anchors. So all of these links here on the front page are anchored to a you know a spot on the card itself that makes it look like a multi-page template. All right, so I probably said that really badly. Let's go back to this again. Let's go back to the main page. So you can, essentially anchor this to anything that you want, right? So in this case, some private courses, these are all obviously editable. If we go back again, here's a shop, right? So all of this here is, this really looks like a multi-page website, but it's built on card and it uses very simple anchors. And again, if you're in our card course, I will actually give you the template for this. Just leave me a comment that you want it, and I'm happy to give it to you. I made some edits to a theme that I purchased, and you can simply use, the template for whatever you want. This is how you make, changes to the pictures. Let's see if we can show, I don't know. Actually, I'm going to go here instead. I'll use some lighter images rather than these heavy Midjourney AI images that you saw before. And again, this is ideal if you're selling a course like we are or working with clients. All right. And as you make these edits, the template is going to update with the images, etc., that are, added in place of the placeholders. I'm saying this really badly. Forgive me. It's been a long day with lots of videos,